Y'all ready to get a good workout in today, Shank? Say Harley. Harley. You ready? I get it ready. We the only ones here right now. Oh my God, I hadn't seen bluebirds in a long time. Gonna clean this side. Come on. Go on in there. Go on in there. I sure hope they don't get in that portal right here. I knew Nate was gonna try to get in that portal. Is that nature? Yeah, that nature. Yes, it is. Harshay. Is your name Harshay or Harjay? Get out of there. It nature hard headed. We was on the big side. We started out on the big side over there, but we came over here on the small side because it's more shade over here. It's hard. Uh-huh. She the main one.